So when the bell is filled up, guys, we're gonna get the string, put it out, cut it to the max over here, cut it. The second string, you hold your feet so the string don't go back. You cut it. Put this part all the way in again. And once you got it like this, you press this thing right here, push it down, lift this up. Don't let it go too hard because and then the door won't open easy. You let it go, lift this all up, and you make inside the nut. You hold it here, whatever nut that you feel comfortable. Put it here. Easy. Send here a little nut. Put it through the hole. Tie it a little bit. Now that you both are secure, you lift this up, press right here, lift it up, stop. You see the change over here? The chain had an extra nut. We put it right here in this screw. That will help you so the bell come out. It's up, and push right here. And looky, with the chains like that will help you come out. Put it here for now. Again right here, down, push this, up. Take the chains out, release the chains, put it back where you go, because that chain help you bring it out. Again, before anything, run the wire, put it here on the track, wire here in the track, pull one, close the door, and you're ready for business.